Hi, my name is Kim Fillmore.
And I'm Amanda Ashby.
Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making pizza dough and breadstick dough, all out of the hot roll mix that comes from our Mix and Mill cookbook.
This is a fabulous recipe that your family and your children especially are going to love.
They do, and you can use it for parties or just for an easy quick dinner anytime. Well, first of all, let's get started making our bread dough. We are going to today be using some high quality products that can be found on our website, and it will just make everything so nice and easy. Also our Bosch, which we love. So we have our yeast and our water in here, all ready to go. We have doubled the recipe so that we can just make one batch of the roll dough and divide them between to make our pizza and our breadsticks. So I'm going to turn this on, adding 1 cup of flour at a time.
You really want to watch your dough. You don't want to make sure it doesn't get too thick. So pay attention as you're adding it. That's why it's really important to add it 1 cup at a time so that you can watch the consistency as it mixes together. As you mix it together, our little pre-mix that you'll find that all these recipes in the cookbook, the mix is simply flour, powdered margarine, or you can use powdered butter, sugar, powdered milk, and salt. So it's very simple, easy things. You quickly mix it up, makes it handy so that this is going to be a really fast, easy recipe to make for your family.
We have found when we do it in the Bosch compared to doing it hand by hand, it does maybe take a little bit more flour. So just watch your consistency of your dough and add flour accordingly.
And we have a lot of fun products, like she had talked about before, that we're going to use. Fabulous stainless steel pizza cutter. Really handy to have.
And your measuring cups, measuring spoons. They make a whole assortment of different things. And also our nice little handy rolling out mat. Let's show the camera our bread dough here. You can see it's firm, still a little bit sticky because as you roll it out on your mat, you're going to have some flour on it and it will end up making it just perfect. So since we divided it, or we're dividing this into 2 recipes with breadsticks and pizza, we're going to go ahead and just take it out. Amanda, do you want to put some flour on that? Great. And we'll this out, and it is a wonderful dough recipe. When we come back, you'll see how we bake both pizza and the breadsticks. Hi, and welcome back. We've got our hot roll mix all made up with our dough. We've, again, made the 2 double recipe so that we can make breadsticks and pizza in one easy.
Fast and easy.
It is. So we've got our half dough over here, and we're ready to go for our pizza dough. I like to kind of start pre-spreading it before I put it in my pan. Makes it a little easier. But then once I've got it spread out a little bit, I'll transfer it over and use this nifty little roller it's a pizza roller.
You can find it on the website.
Along with our other great products. Spread that out to the size you need it for your family.
And really, you can cook this pizza on any pan, but this is a fabulous thing that you'd probably really enjoy. Pizzas oftentimes, if the store-bought frozen ones, they tell you to cook them on the rack. This basically is like an extended rack. It has the holes in it so that the air can flow through, allowing you to be able to cook the crust evenly. You may have experienced making pizza at home, and the dough, it's doughy on the bottom, and the crust is burning. So this is a really fun pan to have in your home to be able to have a evenly cooked pizza.
It is really nice. Okay, now we're ready to make our sauce. Now this sauce is the tomato sauce mix from our book. And what I've done is I've brought to a rolling boil some hot water. I'm adding 1/4 cup of our mix. And I found that if I scant the water a little bit, it tends to make it a little thicker for spaghetti sauce. Real nice. And because it's hot, it has a little cornstarch in the mix, it'll thicken up a little bit as it starts to cool. Okay, nice and easy, all done with that. Okay, and we'll go ahead and pour that on. Like I said, it will thicken as it cools down a little bit. Oh, it just is a yummy, yummy sauce. Okay, And you know what? My family, they like all different kinds of pizza.
I think everyone's family has probably pretty much experienced that problem.
Yes, yes, we don't all love the same ones. So you know what? With this, you can really customize it to your own. We have some Canadian ham and some pineapple. Now, the fun thing about our pineapple is we have used freeze-dried pineapple. It reconstitutes very quickly, and you can just add it to your pizza. Tastes wonderful. I'll just sprinkle some of that on there. It bakes up delicious. You would never know the difference.
On top.
And then, of course, kids always love cheese pizza. So we'll do a section of cheese pizza. And then we've got our pepperoni. What dad doesn't love pepperoni?
That's right.
That's our dad's favorite.
What a fun way, an easy way to save money. Get your kids involved, get them in the kitchen.
They love it. Saves you lots of money. So going out to buy pizza, you've got all the fixings at home. And if you have your hot roll mix already made and put in the pantry, you just pull it out, and it is a quick and easy dinner that you know everyone will love.
You can find all the mix-a-meal recipes in the cookbook, Mix-a-Meal. You're going to love them. That makes it just fast and easy, and they're great recipes for your family.
Okay, and we're set. So we're going to go ahead and let this rise, and Amanda's going to show us how to make our breadstick.
Okay, so we're just going to start with dough.
Let me get a little more flour on there for you.
Thanks.
Okay. And today we're going to be putting it on our stainless steel cooking pan. We have all different sizes, whatever works for you.
Let's get that on there.
Some of this out of our way. And everyone has their own methods for doing breadsticks, so we're kind of combining what works for us and our families.
And the nice thing is that you can be creative and do whatever works for your own family. That is the best thing about cooking your own food in your kitchen. So we're going to go ahead and transfer this over here. See if we can open that back up.
Looks nice. Oh, this dough is so nice, easy to work with. Okay.
Okay.
I'll spread that on first.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
For seasonings, you can add any seasoning that you like. I really like garlic bread. My family loves garlic bread, so we just have some garlic butter made up. We're just going to spread that on here. You can smell that garlic.
Perfect for a party. My kids, as they eat the pizza, love the crust, probably even better than anything else. So the breadsticks will be a hit.
And the fun thing about breadsticks is, you know, you can make it with spaghetti, lasagna, you know, all those type of Italian
When you need something fast to go through dinner.
dinners.
Absolutely. While she's finishing spreading that on, an easy, quick way is to use your pizza cutter to just make some easy breadstick cuts. Let your dough rise, just, I don't know, 10-15 minutes till it's the height you like it. And then you can put it in your oven. Wonderful. And you are set to go for a party for a fast dinner. All right, when we come back, we'll show you how wonderful these look. It's finished. It smells wonderful. Tastes even better.
So good.
Wonderful. So there's a couple of products we want to highlight. We also obviously have our pizza cutter for cutting the breadsticks and the pizza you can find on our website. And this awesome cake and pizza lifter. This
So
just
handy.
slides right under, picks it right up. Lots of uses for that. All right, Amanda, how's it taste?
Let's see.
So good. Good. Oh, it is a wonderful recipe. You can find all of these products, mix and meal recipes, and more on our website, so check them out.
Enjoy.